division. Vedic method of division we are going to discuss. Okay. Now this is a regular division method. Now what is the problem with this method? Problem is when your number that is bigger than one digit, like if you are having a one digit like 1, 2, 3, that tables are very easy and you can easily guess that numbers. When you are writing number like 23 or you are making the number like 68, 63, so these tables you are not aware with. And when you have to divide with 3-digit number, predicting the value is very difficult. Like what will be the quotient, that you have to do 1 or 2 times hit and trial method, and then you will decide that 2 is the appropriate value or 1 is the appropriate value, right? So that is a problem with the regular division method. But in this Vedic method, we are going to solve this question very easy. First, understand what is the process. So here I will going to solve every question, but first understand this 308 divided by 51 here in the free space. 308 divided by 51. Okay, one problem, and this is very important. If you are going to understand this, you will going to understand every problem. So what is this? Let's understand. Like in a regular method, you write down the 308 here and 51 here. Similarly, in Vedic math, we are going to write down 308 like this, and we will going to make it like, means only one digit I will going to write down in the below, and the rest of these things is on a power, and that is called as flag. So this is actually flag. So from now onwards, what we are going to denote, this is a flag, and the last value will give you a remainder. If there is a one flag, you will take one value as a remainder digit. Okay. Now let's start the division. How we are going to divide the division? I will start from one digit. Can you divide 3 with 5? Can you divide 3 with 5?
No.
So we are going to take 2 digits, 30. So how many times we are going to divide? 6 times, right? So 30 minus 30 is what? 0. So that 0, this 0 you have to write down here, not here. Okay. So 30 minus 30 I am writing here. So this is now what? 08. 08 is actually 8. Okay. If it is 1, suppose that there is a remainder 1. So this will become 18. But right now we have a 0. So I'm writing 0. So 8 is then the number. Now, what is the next step? Next step is we will have to use this flag now. So this flag we are going to use, this 1 we are going to multiply with the quotient. Every time, whatever the quotient you are getting it, we'll have to multiply with the flag. That is the use of flag. That's it. When you are getting the quotient, multiply that quotient with the flag and write it down here. Means 6 into 1 is 6. And we have to subtract. 8 minus 6 is what? 2. And this is the remainder. And this is what? Quotient. Understood? Let's take one more example. So here what we got? We got 6 is the quotient and 2 is the remainder. Now, 234 divided by 54. So again I'm writing 2, 3 and 4. 4 is the last value. One flag digit. So one value is for the remainder. Now 54 I'm writing 5 and 4 is the flag. So 5 will going to multiply 2. Not possible. So I'm taking 23. So 5 how many times? 4 times. 5 4 ja 20. So 23 minus 20. 3 is the carryover. So 3 I'm writing here. Okay. चलो इसको यहीं पे solve करते हैं. Maybe you will find it more easy here. What was the number? 234 divided by 50. 234 divided by 50. So I'm writing 5 here, 4 here. One digit is a flag, so last digit is I'm going to use as a flag. You can put like this, or you can draw the line. Okay. So 5 4 ja 20. Subtract 20 from here, you will get 3. So that 3 I'm writing here. So this will become 34. 34 minus what? Anyone?
16.
4 into 4, 16. So if you are going to subtract 16 from here, what you will get? 18. So this is your quotient and 18 is your remainder. Clear? Look at this 503 divided by 72. So again I'm writing 72 is a form of 7 and 2, and 503 means 50 is in the first half and the second half will be for the remainder. So now 50 will be going to divide it how many times? 7 7 ja
49.
49. So what is the carryover? 1. So this 3 will become 13 because 1 is there. So now 13 will going to divide it by 7 2 ja. Okay, chalo. Isko samajhte hain. It is unique question. 503 divided by 70. So this is for the remainder. 7 7 ja 49. Going to subtract 1. So 1 is there. Now 7 2 ja 14. Can you subtract 13 minus 14?
No, sir.
Yes. 1 bar. Minus 1. We can write down. Minus 1 equal to what? 1 bar. So I'm writing 1 bar. It means this is the quotient and this is the remainder. But as you know that remainder is never be a negative value, right? So we have to solve this. How we are going to solve it? We are going to make this number 7 into 6. So how much value it will going to release? 72. पूरा 72 ही होगा. 72 and minus 1, 70. This minus, क्योंकि
ये चीज
72 plus 1 bar. 1 bar means what? This is minus 1. So 72 minus 1 is what? 71. So 71 is the remainder. समझा आप? ये 72 कहाँ से आया, ये सबको समझ में आया? Everyone got it? How we got it is 72. So if you are getting anything negative, so you will going to balance it. That is called as balancing. How we are balancing? We are making the quotient less than 1. So if you are making a quotient less than 1, means total divisor value will going carry over. So this 72 one time. If we are going to subtract from 7 to 5, then how many value you will going to release? 72 into 2. If this 7 will become a 5 here, it means you are releasing 272. So 72 into 2 or 72 plus 72 means what? Total 144. This value will be carry over to the remainder. Okay. Sometimes you may need a two value. So that is the reason I am giving you the hint. So this method is clear to everyone. Now look at this. I am going to increase the value. 19902 divided by 62. 1990 1990 divided by 62. So this is the question we are discussing about, and I had written in a proper format. Now what will be the value for the divisor for the remainder? This is right, one flag. So one value is for remainder. Can you divide 1 with 6? No. We are going to take 19. How many times? 19 minus 18. What is the remainder?
1.
1. Can we write down this 1 here?
No, at 19. Yeah.
Good. So 19 will going to be subtracted. What we have to subtract? 3 into 2, not 3 into 6. 3 into 2. Always multiply with
Flag.
Subtract 19 minus 6. This is what?
New
13.
question.
This 13 will going to divided by 6 now. Are you getting? What is the new thing you are seeing here? Actually, in the previous example, the number was so small that in the second step itself, it was getting the answer, right? But now I am making the question bigger. So you have to perform the division again. So now 13 will going to divided by 6. So this is called as actually dividend. Okay. This is called as dividend, and this is called as net dividend. If you wanted to write down, you can write it down. Net dividend means what? This was we are getting, but that is not a proper dividend. That was dividend, but net dividend we will get after doing the multiplication of divisor with, flag with quotient. So this is the net dividend. So now this net dividend will going to divided by 6. How many times?
2
times. What is the remainder?
1.
Can we write down 1 here?
Yes.
Now next.
2 into 2.
This 2 will going to multiply with 2. 2 to 4. How many times?
6.
How many times?
1.
Good. So 6 minus 6, 0. Can we write down 0 here?
Yeah.
Yes.
What we have to subtract now?
2 into
This
1
into
2 into 1 is 2. So 0.
So 0. I'm writing 0 here. So this is your quotient and this is your remainder. Now tell me, are you get the clarity over the method? And that is the reason I told you to take the bigger numbers. If you take the bigger number, 5 digit, 6 digit, the process will what? Process will repeat themselves multiple times. So you will get a clarity that what is happening here. So if you are going to focus in the first example, there is nothing to subtract because we don't have any quotient. So we haven't subtracted here. We just divided with 6 because that was the first step. And from the second time, we are subtracting everything. Okay. Let's take one more example. 92054 divided by 60. What was the number? 92054. 92054 divided by 60. In this case, anyone? One time?
Yes.
3 I am writing here. So this will become 32. 32 minus what?
4.
1.
3.
1 into 3. 3. So 32 minus 3 is 29. 29, how many times you will going to divide?
4.
24. What is the remainder?
5.
5. Now what you are going to subtract?
50 minus 12. 4 into 3.
38. Next, how many times you are going to divide this 38? 6 times. What is the remainder? 2. Now what you are going to subtract? 63 into 6 into 3. What is the number? 7. How many times?
1 time.
What is the remainder?
1.
Now
1
what you are going to subtract?
3.
Either you can write down 11 here or 11 here because this is the last steps I am writing here. So this is the remainder and this is the quotient. If you are thinking this is hard, you can try the division with this method. The method you already aware with. 92054. You can try. You will realize that how it is difficult and how it is easy. Okay, note it down. Division using bar numbers, and this is one of the example of that number as well. So look at this. What we are going to do here: 523 divided by 68. Okay, can you see that? 523 divided by 68. As I told you, you can convert this number into a bar numbers, right? So what is the bar number of 68? 72 bar.
Yes.
Okay. So now why we are converting it? Because this will look more easy compared to 68. So I'm writing here now 7 and 2 bar on the top. Now next number is what? 5, 2, 3. This is the value for the remainder. Now what you are going to do? 7, 7 is 49. What is the remainder from here? 3. 7 2 जा 14. और यहाँ आप सब्ट्रैक्ट करते थे तो क्या हो जाएगा इस बार? ऐड हो जाएगा ना? मैंने एक बार बताया था आपको कि प्लस इंटू माइनस क्या होता है?
माइनस.
तो यहाँ पे ये क्या है? माइनस है या प्लस है?
माइनस है.
और ये क्या है? प्लस है कि माइनस है?
नहीं तो प्लस है. हाँ.
प्लस है ना? तो ये
ठीक है.
प्लस को जब माइनस से किया तो हमारा माइनस आएगा और हमको ऑलरेडी माइनस करना था, तो ये माइनस माइनस प्लस हो गया ना? तो यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे हम?
प्लस 14 हो गया.
तो रिमाइंडर कितना आ गया? 40. ठीक है. Now, if you don't want to convert this number into a bar numbers because you are not comfortable with, you can go ahead with the 68 itself. So देखो यहाँ पे we will going to discuss this. I'm writing 68 here and then 5, 2, 3. Sorry. Now 6. How many times we will going to divide this 52? 8 times.
Yes.
8 6 are
48.
48. So 48 minus 52 minus 48 is 4. So I'm writing 43 here. Now tell me 8 8 ja
64.
64.
what you will get here?
Minus.
Minus what? 19.
19.
19 or 21?
Yes, 19.
21 है ना? 21 आएगा ना? 43 minus 64.
Minus 2 bar. 21 bar. Right?
So 21 bar is the answer. But as I said to earlier as well, you can't write down the remainder like this. So we will have to release this value from here. Okay. So this 8 will become 7. It means what? This is the new quotient and 68 will going to be subtracted from 21. So करो यहाँ पे subtraction 68 minus 21. क्यों कर रहे हैं 21 को subtract? क्योंकि this is a positive and this is a negative. 8 minus 1 is 7 and 6 minus 2 is 4. So that you have to write down here. Now look at this. We got the same number here and here, right? Now you have to think that which one is easy. It's your choice. This is the method 1 and this is the method. Whatever suits you, you can go ahead. I don't think it is too hard. Only thing is you have to be clear with your concept. Okay?
So can we apply for 19 and all what you taught day before yesterday? So same we can do by this method also.
Yes, that we can do here as well. Here you have to find the difference. That is 22, 32. Okay? That you can apply here as well. Now look at this. Till now, we discussed the numbers. That is, we are not moving further after getting a remainder. Means if there is a remainder and if we wanted to move ahead, then what we will get? We will get decimal numbers, right? How we will get decimal? When we are not stopping ourselves till remainder. देखो यहाँ हम हर बार remainder मिलता था हम रुक जाते थे, right? Now we are not going to stop it here. We will going to get ahead till decimal. Look at this. We got the remainder and we are stopped here. Now we are going to go ahead. How it will going to happen? It will be same method. Like if we are going to put the decimal, obviously in the next dividend, we can put the 0, right? We had an authority to put 1 0 after that. So we are going to use the same thing. Look at here. 40342 divided by 73. So I'm writing the 73 here, 7 and 3 is there, right? Now 4042, 404342. This is the number. Now last value is for remainder because there is a 1 digit flag. Now chalo divide करते हैं इसको 40. How many times? चलो इसको यहाँ लिखते हैं. Maybe you will find it more easy. 40342. Let's start. This is the 40. How many times? 7 5 ja 35. 5 is there which I am writing here. The remainder. Now what you are going to do? 5 3 ja 15. What you will get? 38. How many times? Again 5 times. 35. 3 remainder writing here 35. 5 3 ja again 15. You will get 19. 7 2 ja 14. So 5 is there. I am writing 52. I'm not writing 5 here. So this is 52. Now 3 2 ja 6. So what you will get here? 52 minus 6,
40.
46. Now ये 46 हमारा रिमाइंडर हो गया और ये हमारा कोसेंट हो गया. बट मैंने कहा है ना कि अब तो हम रुकेंगे ही नहीं, हमें तो रुकना ही नहीं है. तो चलो इस 46 को भी डिवाइड कर देते हैं. बताइए. लेकिन जैसे ही हम इसको डिवाइड करने वाले हैं, whenever we are going to decide कि we have to divide the remainder, it means we have to take the decimal as well. Okay, in upcoming step, not here, in the upcoming step. So now divide it. How many times?
5. 7
7
5.
5 7 6 42.
Plus.
So what is the remainder? 4. So I'm writing this remainder here, and because I am taking decimal here, now it will become 40. Got it? So it now onwards, with every remainder we can put 0, 1 0. Okay? So this 40 will going to divide it by 7. But before dividing, we have to subtract 6 into 3. Subtract karo. What is the number? 22. 22 will going to divide it by 7. 7 3 ja 21. Now 1 is the remainder that I am writing here, and now again I am putting 0. Ab batao. What is we are going to do? This 3 will going to multiply with this 3. 3 3 ja 9. So 1 is the remainder. And you can't divide this 1 with 7. Can you divide this? No. So I'm taking 0. And when you are taking 0, it means this remainder going into top, and again we can put down 0. Now do it. What you are going to do? This quotient will going to divide with 3. So 3 minus 3 into 0 is 0. So this is 10. One time you can divide. 7 is there. 3 is you are going to get it here. Now 3 will going to carry over next. 3 into 3 and 0 you can put 30. So on and so on and so on. Got it? So now recap. What is the recap? The first recap was we had discussed the number, division of number with the flag of 1 digit. So these are the number that is having a only 1 digit flag, right? So these are the example we had done. If you wanted to solve the question, you can solve it. You can write it down as a homework, all these questions. Now the second type is what? Flag of 1 digit with remainder. Means what? Here you will not get any remainder. You will get a 0 as a remainder, and here you will get some remainder. So process is same, nothing different. Now this is the third example where we have to do the adjustment. What is the meaning of adjustment? I told you earlier, जहाँ पे मैंने नहीं, that is not decimal. I told you one example earlier. Here you can see that this is the adjustment actually. As you can see that you can't subtract 43 minus 64. So you have to change the 8 into 7 and release 168 from there. So this is an adjustment. Okay. I will take this example. Don't worry. Write down all these things as a homework. Let's take this example. Division of number with some adjustment. What is the meaning of adjustment? I will take it again. Now we are going to discuss 25382 divided by 77. Now look at this one flag. So I'm marking one number for the remainder. Now 2 is not divisible by 7. So obviously we have to take 25. How many times? 3 times. 21. 4 is the remainder that I'm writing here, 43. Now 7 will going to multiply with 3. 7 3 is 21. So 3 minus 1 is 2, and 4 minus 2 is 2. Now 22 will going to divide it by 7. How many times? 3 times. 21. Now 1 is carry over.
7 2 is
18.
40.
Now 7 3 is
No.
21. Right?
Flag, yeah.
7 3 is 20. तो अब बताओ क्या हम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं 18 में से 21 को?
हाँ, नेगेटिव नंबर आएगा.
तो नहीं कर सकते ना. So what we are going to do? We are going to do the adjustment. That is the topic name. Some adjustment. What is the adjustment? This is the adjustment. Means what? We will have to go to the back stage, and now instead of taking 3, we have to take only 2. It means it will become 14. So what is the remainder from here now? 8 is the remainder. 22 minus 14, 8. So now this is become 88. Now you can subtract 7 to the 14 from here. So the value is what? 74. And this will going to divide it by 7. How many times? 9 times. Okay. You can divide with 9 times. 9 7 ja 63. Sorry. This is 7. 7 9 ja.
No, 7 10 70 also we can take. No?
What? You can take 10, but only take 9 times. Maximum is 9 that you can take only. Okay. Maximum you can take 9.
Achha.
You can't take 10. So 4 minus 3 is 1, and 7 minus 6 is 1. So I'm not writing 1 here. I'm writing 1. Now this will become 1 1 2. This will going to be subtracted by 9 7 ja. This 9 and this 7. 9 7 ja 63. Subtract 63 from here. So 12 minus 3 is what? 9. And this is 10 minus 6, that is 4. So answer is 49. That 49 I'm writing here. So this is your quotient, and this is your remainder. So that is the adjustment. Means what? Instead of writing 3, I written down, and then we got the answer. Understood, everyone? Sometimes you will get the negative value. In that case, what you have to do? Adjust the previous quotient. That you have to. Now we are going to discuss the 3-digit number like 123, 422, 785, what you are going to do. And similarly, what if the 4-digit number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 6, 7, 8, all these are the divisor. 1-digit divisor, 2-digit divisor, 3-digit divisor, 4-digit divisor. So this we are discussed. Now we are discussing this one, and it's very simple. Nothing will going to be changed. As you can see that in this example, it was 514. We are discussing this example. 2323989. 2329989. So what is the changes in this case? First, I'm going to discuss the changes. So when I'm going to solve this question, you will realize. I told you when you are taking a 2-digit as a flag, there is a 2-digit for remainder. Can you remember this? In the previous example, I told you if there is a 1-digit flag, you will take only 1 digit as a remainder. Now there is a 2-digit, so I'm taking 2-digit as a remainder. This is the first difference, remainder difference. Now, what is the second difference? The second difference is in a quotient. Earlier, when you have a 4, suppose that there is a 4 only, so you are multiplying this 4 with 4 and you are subtracting here, right? Now, because you have a 2-digit number, so you have to multiply with 2-digit. So first understand here how you are going to multiply this. So write down this question. Question was 2329989. 2329988. Divisor was 514. I'm writing 14 as a flag. We can't subtract, can't divide 2 with 5. So I'm taking 23. How many times we will going to divide? 4 times. 5 4 ja 20. Subtract 20. So what is the number? 30.
32. 5 6 are 30.
So now what is the next step?
4 into
This-
1.
4 into 1.
यहाँ पे देखो. This is 14 now. The flag was going to multiply with quotient. So the quotient is single digit. So I'm writing 4 here. And the 14 is here. The flag, this is our flag, and this is our quotient. Right? Because this is a 1 digit, so I'm making it a 2. And you have to multiply crosswise. Simple. What you are going to do? Crosswise multiplication. Do it. 1 into 4?
4.
4. And 0 into 4? 0. So actually 1 into 4 is 4 plus 0. So this you have to subtract. Now got it? What is the change?
Yes.
This is the change only. This is the only thing you have to think when you have a 2-digit flag. Means what? You have to multiply similar way, similar fashion. Don't multiply like a 2-digit number. I will tell you in the next number as well. You will realize what I'm trying to say. So 4 into 14, we will get 4. So I'm putting only minus 4. So that 28. 5 times 25. 3 I'm writing here, 39. Now look at this. 1 4 and this 4 5 now. We have a 2-digit, so we are taking 2-digit as a quotient. ठीक है? अब देखो यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई करो. 5 1 जा 5 plus 4 4 जा 16. So 16 plus 5 21. So you have to subtract 21. Got it? 14 into 45. Last 2 digit we are taking. Earlier we are taking only 1 digit. Now we are going to take 2 digit. So 14 into 45. We will get 5 1 ja 5, 4 4 ja 16, 21. So it is now 18. 18 will going to divide by 5. 3 times 15. 3. I'm not writing here. I'm writing here. अब बताओ किसको लेंगे? 14 and 53. This last 2 digit. इसको आप छोड़ देना क्योंकि हम 2 ही digit. 3 1 ja 3 plus 5 4 ja 20. So 3 plus 20 is 23. Subtract 23 from here. So 39 minus 23 is 16. 3 5 1 carry over. So this one I'm writing here. Now what is the next? 14 into 3 and 3. This 3 and this. So 3 1 ja 3 and 4 3 ja 12. 3 plus 12, that is 15. Subtract 15 from here. So what you will get? 3. So 3 will going to be divided by 5. Can you divide this 3 with 5?
No.
Put down 0. So this 3 will going into the top. So this is 39. Now what?
30 into 14.
Good. 14 into 30. So this is 0 now. 4 3 ja 12. I'm going to subtract 12. Into 1 into 0 0 and 4 into 3. So this is now 27. And 27 will going to divided by 5. ठीक है? Tell me how many times? अब इसको आप as it is remainder भी लिख सकते हो. Otherwise you can divide, so it will become a decimal number. So in that case, if you are going to go ahead for the decimal, so go ahead. 5 times 25. So 2 that I'm writing here and put down decimal here. So it will be 0 now. 20. Now 20 will going to be divided 0 in 5. 14 0 5. So this is 0. 1 into 5 is 5. Subtract 5 from here. So you have 15 now. How many times? 5 3 ja 15. You got 0. So this is your. So that is the process when you have a number 3. 3 means every time it will start with 1 digit multiplication, but now we will start 2 digit. And this value will change. This value we will pick. Always new quotient you will take and old quotient you will leave. But rest of the process will be 6. So ये होता है, that is the rule of when you are having a 3-digit number. What if you have a 4-digit number and 5-digit number or 6-digit number? Processes remain same, nothing will going to change, only you have to change the multiplication trick. So suppose that there is an example 2134, 2142. This is the number. So what you are going to change? 2 will be the flag, 2 is the number and 142 will be the flag. So this flag will going to multiply with 1 first. So 142 and 1 and 0 and 0. So this is what? You will going to multiply this case cross vertical like this. Means 1 into 1, 4 into 2 into 0 and 4 into 1 like this. Look at this. 1, 1. I'm going to write down like this. It will be easily visible to you. 1 into 1, 0 into 2 and 4 into 0. This will going to happen every time. If there is nothing, you can put 0. So 1 into 1, 1 is there only. When you are getting 1 0, then you are going to put 1 0 here. When you are getting 105, it means you are going to put 105. And when you are getting 050, so means this will going to be eliminated, and 050 you are going to take it. So that is the multiplying factor. In this case, what? 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 2 is 0, 4 into 5 is 20. So you will going to subtract 20 in this case.
20
Okay.
in this case.
So that is the rule. I'm not solving this question. This is something different question. This question. 5 to. इसको solve करके देखिए. You will get the answer. ठीक है? Just write down here. For 2-digit flag, if the number is like this, 127. So how we are going to multiply? You are writing 27 or suppose x and y. So you are writing 2y plus 7. If there is a 3-digit flag, 3-digit
XYZ.
flag, 1 to the power 2, 3, 4 suppose. So I'm writing 2, 3, 4 x, y, z. So it is 2z plus 4x plus
4x
3y.
3.
If this is a 4-digit flag, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What does it mean? It means this is the 5-digit divisor. Have you done any divisor in your life with 5-digit divisor?
No.
Probably no. But because we are discussing the concept, so I'm just giving you the idea that how it will happen if there is this kind of number comes. So I'm taking UVWX. And what is the process of doing this multiplication?
2 into
You are going to multiply the 2x
5,
plus 5u
3,
plus 3w plus
4,
4. This is the step.
4V.
So in this case, this is the cross. In this step, this is a cross and vertical. In this case, cross, and there is one more cross. And same process will go on and go on. So in this way, the revision is completed.